OneUP is not paying me. I'm not affiliated with them. You're wondering what all this stuff in front of me is, apart from the dirt and the loam. It's things that I've been storing in my trusty OneUP EDC pump, and I've had it for 4 years now. It's lived on my bike. As you can see, it's got a lot of dirt and it's not clean, but it's time to give it a bit of a refresh. I've lost the bottom part. This part here, the friction fit thing, doesn't really friction anymore, so I have this part coming up and up and up when I'm biking. So I ordered the pump seal kit, and we're just gonna give this pump a quick refresh. I didn't read any instructions. I'm just gonna dive into this and see how far we get. Okay, we got the little cap there. Next is a little O-ring. It's an O-ring just below where this lives. See this O-ring? It's good to keep dirty parts on one side, fresh parts on the other side, so you're not mixing it up. Easiest just to remove and replace as you go along. Okay, one part down. Ooh, you can screw off the end here. I found the next O-ring. Okay, the best way for this O-ring is just to slide it over like this. Slide into there. Looks like that O-ring just acts as a bumper when you're pumping. It's not a sealing O-ring. Okay, last piece. This little thing, which is why I bought the whole kit. It's just a friction fit piece to stop the pump from opening. This whole kit costs, I think, like $10, so it's not too bad. They've actually changed the design a little bit. There's a smooth lip on the top half on the old one, and then the new one looks like they've added an extra little rib there. Obviously you can't feel that, but that's a really tight fit. And we replace this part. Careful. There you go. And the little replacement cap. I store a CO2 canister in there. Some Maggie tire plugs. And some a rubber glove just for a filler to stop everything from rattling around. We'll stop that CO2 canister from rattling around. Perfect. Good as new. Thanks OneUP for making this and providing refresh kits for them so I can keep using it for many years to come. If you want more of this content, make sure you subscribe. That lets me know that you like this, and I'll keep making more.